You got a Huawei P30 or P30 Pro and want to know what you can do with it? In this video, I'm going to show you some quick tips and tricks. As always, go to Settings, Display, More Display Settings, Notch, and either decide which apps should be displayed with or without a notch, or just simply hide it for good, if it bothers you. For dark menus, go to Settings, Battery, and choose Darken Interface Colors. Here you can also activate reverse wireless charging to charge other phones, accessories, or toothbrushes wirelessly by placing them on the back of your phone. To activate the Always On display, go to Home Screen and Wallpaper, Always On display. I would recommend it since there is no notification LED on the device, so you can see notification symbols on the Always On display at least. Unfortunately, you can't customize it like on a Samsung, but at least you can schedule the activation times. In the same menu, you can also get the app drawer back by choosing the home screen style. Something really annoying is High Touch. It's a visual shopping feature that will always pop up when you have two fingers on the screen, like if you want to zoom for example. Go to Settings, Smart Assistance, High Touch to deactivate it and make it by touch. Go back one page and you can enter Glove Mode, which lets you use the screen wearing gloves. You can also turn off mistouch prevention here if it bothers you. For the navigation gestures, go to System, System Navigation Gestures. This time it works faster and more reliable and comes with an actual tutorial, so there is no need to explain the basics. What it doesn't tell you, however, is that swiping up diagonally from the bottom launches one-handed mode. Using the standard navigation, you just need to swipe left or right on the navigation bar. Also interesting to know, to launch apps in split screen mode, open your task manager and tap on this button. Under Security and Privacy, you now have a password vault. This helps you to store passwords and log in safely. Every time you do a new login, it will ask you automatically if you want to save it. If you forgot your password, you can always come back here to check what it was. Going back, you can also set up App Lock to lock certain apps, Private Space for secret user space, and the Safe if you want to encrypt certain files for privacy. Go to Display to turn auto brightness off and on. Go to Eye Comfort to protect your eyes from blue light and to sleep better at night. I like to set a comfortable temperature and schedule the activation time. You can also quickly turn it on in the status bar. Take a screenshot by knocking with one knuckle on the screen. Record a video of your screen with two knuckles and stop it by doing it again. When in standby mode, double-click the volume button to take an ultra-fast snapshot. In the camera app, either tap this button multiple times or swipe up or down on the right side of your preview to enter ultra wide angle, 5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom, or 50x digital zoom mode. The AI can be activated here. It recognizes the composition of the image and improves it so you don't have to. It will stay active until you deactivate it. Tap the icon on the top left for QR code, object, product recognition, or live translation. It can also recognize food and estimate its calories. With portraits, you can choose various light effects and bokeh effects. Portrait mode only works with faces and has a fixed bokeh though. Choose aperture mode to use the portrait effect on other things and to change bokeh and focus or apply filters after the shot using this button. At night, use the night mode for 5-second long exposures without a tripod for great night shots by just holding the phone with your hands. In video mode, you can also go up to 10x zoom with pretty good quality and amazing stabilization. Finally, this works with 4K too, which you can switch to by going to Settings, Resolution. Using this magic pen, you can use the video effects like AI Color, which renders a real-time color pop effect on people, or Video Portrait. To enter Super Macro mode, go to More and choose Super Macro. This allows you to take macro shots from a minimum distance of 2.5 cm. To enter PC mode, you can connect your phone to your monitor or TV with a USB-C to HDMI cable, or go to Settings, Device Connectivity, Easy Projection to connect wirelessly if the other device supports Miracast, like you can find in many hotels for example. With Bluetooth mouse and keyboard, it becomes a PC. You can choose between using both displays separately or mirroring your screen. These were some quick tips and tricks for the Huawei P30 and P30 Pro. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe so you don't miss any future content, and give us a like or dislike depending on if you like the video or not. Anyway, my name is Imit for Mobile Geeks.